A young woman sits on the edge of her bed, head in her hands, tears falling silently. Bills are scattered around. Her phone buzzes incessantly with notifications, and the fridge stands empty. As the sun sets, darkness fills the room. A soft, melancholic piano tunes fill the air, echoing the heaviness in her heart. She was at her lowest. Everything felt heavy. No words left, only silence and pain. Her heart silently cries, "Oh Allah, I ask you for a near relief, a light in this darkness." Finding solace in the silence, she rises to perform wudu, laying down a prayer mat under the gentle glow of moonlight filtering through her window. Kneeling in prayer, she finds herself speaking to the one who never sleeps. The gentle night ambience intertwines with soft wind and spiritual tones. But even in silence, the heart speaks. She turned to the one who never sleeps. And in the middle of the night, her prayer rose to the skies. "Oh Allah, give me beautiful patience, abundant provision, and a heart that finds peace in you." A new day dawns, and she wakes to find a message, a job interview invitation, a supportive friend reaching out, or a gesture of unexpected kindness. As hope permeates the air, her face begins to brighten. Hopeful music resonates as sunlight pierces through every closed window. And just like that, the first signs appeared. A message, a helping hand. The doors that were closed began to open one by one. Walking amidst nature's beauty, beneath a sunset sky, the gentle wind wraps around her like a comforting embrace. Her heart feels full, overflowing with gratitude. She lifts her hands in sujud, silently thanking Allah. Soft ambient music carries the tranquility of the scene. She didn't get everything overnight, but her heart, it was full, because Allah had seen her, heard her, and answered. Whispering a final prayer, her heart swells with trust. "Oh Allah, I place my trust in you. Your timing is perfect. Your mercy is endless. Thank you for never forgetting me."